Okay, so I came back out into the dining room. That's the room with the bathroom that we just left. And then you come over here and you have a bedroom with new carpet. Just this itty bitty dark closet. No light. And the front living room is right there. We're gonna go in this bedroom first. So, you got a unique ceiling. They painted, that's a drop ceiling that they painted to give it some style. It's not the biggest room, but it's not the smallest room. Newer windows. That's to the back. I'm looking for cracks in the doors. Doorways and the windowways. And the floors are just up and down, up and down. And there's your little tiny closet. It's not very big. Oh, that's the back side of the chimney. Can't see in there, there's no light. So that's one bedroom. And into the living room.